I started tech 3 months ago and I'm now in Estonia. Then you see all these different things and you're like, my own too must happen now. It is what choice overload does. Because what it means is that you are seeing people that you don't understand their context. You don't know what their background story is, but you are only seeing what they are sharing as testimonials. And then you expect that your life should also run on the same schedule their lives is running now. And these two things usually make it almost impossible to do anything tangible, because you usually will start and stop things. First, because of this idea of Lagos is where it is happening right now, or it is Abuja, it is happening right now. You're already building something. Let's say you are in Ibadan, from the Ibadan campus, or Shogbo. You're already building something there. But the moment you hear that Lagos, they are paying a friend of mine 500k per month, the next thing you uproot yourself and move to Lagos. I'm not saying that migration is bad, but you have to be sure that that is where you should be.